Hey! Welcome to Boozehive. In this video, we're going to make a Strawberry Lemonade Vodka Slushie. From its name, you can probably guess most of the ingredients, but to make it, create 100 milliliters of lemonade ice cubes and 100 milliliters of ginger ale ice cubes. Then let them freeze overnight. Then, slice 5 strawberries and add them to a cocktail shaker. Don't forget to add the not so secret ingredient, vodka. Muddle these two together to make some easy strawberry vodka. Filter your strawberry vodka into a blender container. Top it with your ginger ale ice cubes and your lemonade ice cubes. Then blend for about 10 seconds. There you go, a Strawberry Lemonade Vodka Slushie. A perfect cocktail for hot weather. Give the video a like if you want to try this drink out. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next drink.